If you don't respond, they will wait a certain amount of time, and more often than not, they'll take a default judgment against you. Judgment because you didn't respond. It's very, very important with respect to these default judgments in this particular kind of debt collection cases is oftentimes if you don't respond, you're waiving a lot of your rights. In certain cases where it's not a creditor case, they might not be sending out these requests for admissions or other instruments in the lawsuit. So at the default judgment hearing, the attorney will actually have to put on some evidence in order to obtain the default judgment against you. But in these debt collection cases, from my experience, the majority of them have admissions within them, and by failing to respond to the lawsuit, you're also failing to respond to the admissions, and you're deeming your case away. You're giving up the right to even require them to present any evidence against you. You don't want to not respond. You want to definitely at least get with a lawyer. Most of them, consumer protection lawyers, will offer you a free attorney consultation and ascertain whether or not you can or cannot afford it. But by not responding, more often than not, you'll feel you might have got away with something, and maybe a year or 2, 3 years down the road when you go to sell a house or you go to the bank and you realize your bank account's frozen, you'll definitely wish that you got professional representation and avoided this controversy from occurring.